The Moon, Earth's natural satellite. There are a multitude of legends and myths surrounding it. And many of them, spectators of myth, relate to Canis lupus, the wolf. Indeed, the connection between these nocturnal beasts and lunar folklore stretches back throughout the ages. But there is a particular myth that occurs within the first month of every year, and it's to that time and place that our journey takes us today. Wolf Moon Explained. The first full moon of every year is called the Wolf Moon. It is said that this title comes from centuries-old Native American legends. Back then, packs of hungry wolves were said to howl to the night sky near villages during winter. But did they howl to the moon? Yes and no. They howled toward the night sky where the moon is present, but not directly to the moon. The reason wolves howl toward the night sky is believed to be because this direction helps make the noise louder and lets it travel farther. Wolves are also nocturnal animals and are believed to use their howls as a form of navigation. This lets them tell the pack where they are or warn of would-be interlopers. A pack howling together can last up to several minutes. The first few months of the year are also said to be when wolves start mating, and during that period, usually from January through early spring, they are known to howl a lot more than usual.